Today, my wife is going to show us how to do a quicker roasted duck.
Before I cook it, I have to say sorry to the duck.
But we are, after all, above him in the food chain.
Yeah, we eat everything. This is an ingredient for seasoning the duck.
And we start off with a dry wok with no oil, with the seasoning on it.
Yeah, use this salt, stir all the ingredients.
Massaging. Oh, feels good. A little lower, Not that low, okay.
So this step is most step for cook this duck. The duck, almost 5 pounds, very, very huge. I set aside it for 12 hours, and then we can go to next step.
Which is more cleaning.
Yeah, more cleaning.
And then to dry them off, put them in the bottle and spin them around. Are we having fun yet?
No. I want to it dry quickly.
That's cooking wine.
Yeah.
That ought to perk him up.
So
you're getting ready to steam them now.
Yeah, this is why I call this recipe is quicker roasted duck.
First you steam them, then you roast them in the oven.
Yeah.
The ginger.
To keep its flavor. Yeah.
And the steaming.
20 minutes.
Now you're glazing it over with honey, right?
Yeah. Do you know why?
No.
Oh, this is for getting the beautiful brown color.
Oh.
Be careful when you put it into the pan because don't damage the skin. Keep the skin well. This is 390 degree. Roasted almost 15 minutes.
And look at the result. Beautiful color. I'm coming, dear. Gorgeous. You have the fat and the meat just melts in your mouth.
Very juicy, very tasty.
All the animals in the neighborhood are coming in, trying to get in.
This is for our neighbor's cat. Oh, every animal is happy.
Especially Ron.
Thank you for your cooperation to eat.